Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Where in the world are the three AC founder? Speculation abounds. Rumor has it that they are heading to or are already in Dubai, says a lawyer with 30 years of experience. But can they stay there forever? The creators of Three Arrows Capital are missing, according to reports, when court-appointed liquidators recently visited the firm's Singapore headquarters. All they discovered was a locked door and a stack of outdated mail. Singapore-based 3AC is among the flagship cryptocurrency firms that have crumbled in recent weeks under bear pressure and faced liquidity issues driven by the market sell-off. In June, a court in the British Virgin Islands, where 3AC had moved its registration, appointed consulting firm Teneo to liquidate 3AS assets. Teneo, Senior Managing Director Russell Crumpler and Christopher Farmer informed the court on July 8 that the whereabouts of Suzu and Kyle Davis, the co-founder of 3AC, were still unknown. Most recently, a Singapore court approved Teneo petition order against 3AC, issued in the British Virgin Islands. This recognition will give Teneo the legal ability to request access to 3AC's financial records kept in Singapore. David Lesperance, a lawyer with over 30 years of experience as a taxation and citizenship advisor, told Cointelegraph that he believes the founders have availed themselves of a backup plan and gone underground. Pioneer founders in previously unregulated industries such as gaming and crypto need to maintain a power balance when regulators inevitably come calling. He added that it is the best to maintain parity in the relationship with negotiating to adjust business practice to the newly established standard. This is best done at a distance where it is difficult for the regulator to bully, according to Lesperance. This allows the company lawyers to negotiate with liquidators, courts, and regulators on an even playing field. Lesperance further explained that in the 1990s, former New York attorneys General Elliot Spitzer mastered the technique of nabbing CEOs and making them do the perp work. Then, hours before the market's opening bell, Spitzer would call up the bird and offer them a plea bargain deal. Negotiating from a position of great weakness, the bird will capitulate and connect to charges that per Lesperance Spitzer really had no real chance of winning a trial, solely to save the company's share price. During the time that online gaming and sportbook sites were coming into their own, I had several founder clients who successfully stayed out of the clutches of overzealous American prosecutors while their corporate lawyers adjust their business to new United States regulatory rules that had been pushed through by their brick and mortar Vegas competitors, Lesperance said, adding. This founder continued to legally live and operate in more friendly jurisdiction during this negotiation period. Their competitors who fell into the hands of the US authorities during this period saw their business collapse and were subsequently both up for pennies on the dollar by my clients. Maybe just that for me. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.